y'all just stop issuing stuff already?
National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued
Oh, Oklahoma.
Yeah, it's in Oklahoma, but got one Oklahoma County. I just looked at it.
Central Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Cherokee County, central Oklahoma, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time.
According to that WJOF blog
Central
thing,
Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northeast of
Well, like
Cherokee
you
Landing
know.
State Park, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Stilwell, Lincoln, Westville, Adair State Park, Christie, Cherokee Landing State Park, Cincinnati, Barron, Marietta, Summers. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for northwestern Arkansas and northeastern Oklahoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a